Morning everyone from beautiful lake in Switzerland, and here we were for the symposium for Villa, and it was a great experience for us, and we are looking forward to learn more. Like, it was something we are already doing, but we saw it from a different point of views, and that's mattered the most. You're having different point of view, you're connected with one particular topic, which is climate change. So it's not only a mission and a job for us, like responsibility on our shoulders. Last 2 months was really very creative, very new learning for us. Like, we were doing our internships, and after that we were quite excited in our internship. Okay, we're gonna go for a symposium, we're gonna go to Switzerland, as it's damn beautiful, as you all can see. Here we learned a lot of things, like we create, like it's a whole global community who are working on a single topic, that's climate change. And that's something really very serious, and we need to create a community, a global community, and work together on it. Right now we are working on, like, every one of us, they are working on different internships. I am like doing my intern for IIT Mandi, so it's IDF, and like getting the rain simulation, like analyzing data of a particular regions and getting the frequency and distribution pattern of rainfall, and also doing a life cycle assessment of it, like what's affecting the rainfall pattern, how it's been varying from last 10 years, and also predicting for our next 1,000 years by using basic stats and basing IDF calculations, and using some software like Sulfur and optics to make a proper plot out it, and have a presentation that's present in front of everyone and show that it's real. Climate change is something real, we need to work it, and we have a very less time, but there's nothing hopeless.